39वी पेट्रोलियम स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोशन बोर्डाची इंटर युनिट एथलेटिक्स सर्त सकाळी बांबोळे स्टेडियमार सुरू जाल्या। हातूंत 7 पेट्रोलियम युनिट वांटेकार आसात आणि हे सर्तीचे होस्ट ONGC हांचे कडेन टॉप प्लेयर्स इंडियाचे एथलीट्स आशिल्ल्यान ही सर्त जिखपाक होस्ट परत एकदा फेवरेट्स आसतले, हातूंत दुबाव ना।
We have 4 Arjuna Awardee in ONGC and 1 Dhyanchand Awardee. The Arjuna Awardee earlier was Mr. B.S. Barua, Anil Kumar, Chitra K. Soman, and Sinimal Paulus, and followed by another excellent performance by Bapinder. Awardees we have produced and many more international athletes. Over a period, we would like to see more than 2 dozen Arjuna Awardee from athletics field. I am once again going to make my best wishes to you. Kindly take part in the best spirit, win the medals, be a friend of each other, give a goodwill message. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
I declare 39th Pspb Inter-Unit Athlete Meet 2018-19 open.
Take part in 39th Pspb Inter-Unit Athletics Meet 2018-2019, respecting and abiding by the rules and govern them, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our team and glory of sports.